Welcome back to another video. Today I'm sharing this lovely combo, guava and watermelon, flavored with ginger and lemon. This combination tastes very refreshing, guys, and it's easy to prepare. So continue watching and I'll come back at the end of the video. But before I do that, I want to take the time to welcome all my returning supporters. Welcome. And for those of you coming for the first time, welcome as well. If you're a foodie, then you definitely have to subscribe and put your bell on because you'll be here for a ride. So continue watching, guys, and I'll come back in a bit. So here you have it, guys. My refreshing guava and watermelon juice. So tasty, guys. These two fruits is a perfect combination. So I hope that you did enjoy the video. So now just like the video, share the video, drop me a comment below, hype the video as well, and do subscribe for more. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.